County.
I didn't find my camera in time.
County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a
First
severe
activation.
thunderstorm was located near New Holland, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles.
This is why I'm looking for my camera.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Kingston, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Frankfort, Clarksburg, West Marion State Park, Andersonville, Austin, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 207 at US Route 22, State Route 138 at US Route 22 in Plano. You are listening to NOAA Weather. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Tuesday, and now includes the following county: Greene, Ohio.
Oh, thanks, Greene County.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm watch remains at 3 p.m. At 8:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waynesville, moving at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kettering, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Lebanon, Bellbrook, Waynesville, Wilberforce, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Centerville, Fort Ancient, Lytle, Mount Holly, Oakland, Gentown, Cedar Creek State Park, Kingman and Greene County Airport. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 34 and 48. Now here is the...
That came out of nowhere.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, southern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, southern Greene County, northwestern Highland County, until 9:45 p.m.
I could hear your cow.
8 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Waynesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour.
Ooh, 70.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Xenia, Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Hillsborough, Sabina, Leesburg, New Vienna, Stunton, Clarksville, Harveysburg,
Clarksville.
Martinsville, Corwin, Bowersville, Highland, Fort William, Milledgeville, Paintersville, Melvin, and Lumberton. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 63.
Oh, got on this one too. 2 stations. This is KJY 68.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, until 10 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jeffersonville, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour, wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Lunenburg, New Holland, Stunton, Milledgeville, Pottstown, Jasper Hills, Madison Hills, Interstate 71 and US Route 35 and Templesburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 64 and 76. includes the following county: Fayette, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Overnight, mostly cloudy this late evening and early morning.
Where? Oh! Thank you, John! Hey, look, KGY at the same time.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Fairfield County,
Ooh, that's me.
County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Asheville, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect winds damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Circleville, Asheville, Baltimore, South Bloomfield, Logan Elm Village, Wilton, Lycopolis, Willox, Amanda, Southville, Carroll, the West Marion State Park, East Ringgold, Duval, Slate Run Metro Park, Clearport and State Route 138 at US Route 22. Once again at 10 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 70 degrees with the thunderstorm.
What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Richland County, northeastern Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Galion, or 10 miles southeast of Bucyrus, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Galion, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, and Iberia.
That's a short alert. Out of nowhere! The hell? I was editing this video.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gambier, or near Mount Vernon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Centerburg, Danville, Sparta, Martinsburg, and Bladensburg. A severe...
Okay. Hello, KJY.
Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Athens County, northwestern Meigs County, east central Vinton County until 3 a.m. At 11:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albany, Carpenter, and Dyersville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely.